Paragraph writing. Jagadish Chandra Bose. Acharya Jagadish Chandra Bose was a great scientist. He was born on 30 November 1858 in Mymensingh, now in Bangladesh. His father was Bhagwan Chandra Bose. He completed his early education from village Pathshala. Then he was sent to an English school and he completed BA from the St. Xavier's College in Kolkata. He went to England for higher studies and studied physics, chemistry and biology from London University. Later, he completed his graduation from Cambridge University. Then he returned to India and joined Presidency College as a professor of physics. He invented electromagnetism and also proved that plants have life. He set up the Bose Institute in Kolkata in 1917. This great scientist breathed his last on 1937.